गाइस वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम आए हैं टोरंटो के सबसे रिचेस्ट नेबरहुड में एंड आप देखोगे तो हमारे जैसे लोग ही लग रहे हैं। देयर इज नो डिफरेंस दैट यू कैन फाइंड।
बट अभी ड्रोन से दिखाएंगे आपको जो
Yes.
डिफरेंस है। घर इतने ज़्यादा सुंदर और इतने ज़्यादा बड़े हैं और इनके लॉन्स ऐसे हैं जैसे पार्क्स होते हैं टोरंटो में। बट आज हम ऐसा कोई घर ज़्यादा नहीं दिखाने वाले। द मेन रीज़न ऑफ मेकिंग दिस वीडियो इज़ टू टेल दैट डूइंग
Doing
सर्वाइवल जॉब्स इन कैनेडा।
is in fact a really good thing.
सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो हम आज निकले हैं टुवर्ड्स द ब्राइडल पाथ। आई एम नॉट श्योर व्हाट इट सेड, बट इट्स अबाउट 18 मिनट्स 17 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम डाउनटाउन टोरंटो। एंड यहाँ पे काफ़ी अमीर लोग रहते हैं। अगर आप घरों के प्राइस देखो तो इट्स अपवर्ड्स ऑफ 20, 25, 30 मिलियन डॉलर्स। अभी जो बड़े बड़े घर देख रहे हो ना, ये मेरे को हमेशा लगता था कि यार ये लोग करते क्या हैं। एंड आई थॉट दैट ये बहुत सारे लोगों के पास पुश्तैनी पैसा होता है। पहले के बिजनेसेस हैं, बाप दादा ने करा था, उस टाइम पे इजी था। सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स एक्चुअली हमारे दिमाग में हमेशा बोलते थे हम जब भी कोई बड़ा घर देखते थे। एंड आई जस्ट रेड अ स्टैट दैट 88% ऑफ मिलियनेयर्स अराउंड द वर्ल्ड आर एक्चुअली सेल्फ मेड। दे एक्चुअली वेंट फ्रॉम वेरी हम्बल बिगिनिंग्स एंड दे एक्चुअली ग्रू टू $1 million, $1 billion। तो अभी एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं। जैसे हम जब यहाँ पे आए थे ना, तो हमने जो फर्स्ट रेंटल लिया था आफ्टर आवर बेसमेंट जिसमें हम अभी रह रहे हैं, वहाँ पे वी मेट दिस रियल्टर who came in 2003 and for 4 years he was driving a taxi. तब Uber नहीं होती थी, he was driving a taxi. So I asked, why were you driving a taxi? And he said that I actually wanted to be a realtor. So he wanted to be a realtor, and realtor के लिए सबसे important होता है to know the roads. हमने पहले ही बताया अपनी वीडियोस में। And he was driving a taxi so that उनको टोरंटो का एरिया का सारा चप्पा चप्पा समझ आ जाए, so that when he's taking his clients he knows the roads, and that's the amount of dedication that you need. Now he is so successful that he owns 8 houses and he's a very very successful realtor, and he actually helps a lot of new immigrants, and a lot of you have reached out to us, and I'm sure you have met him, and he is amazing, the way he has managed in the last 18 years and where he has reached. There's one more guy, we don't know him, but his name is Nav Bhatia.
Yeah. He's called the super fan. अगर आप उनकी स्टोरी देखो, it's so inspiring. He came as an immigrant here. He was an engineer, couldn't find a job, and he took a job of a salesman. And you know what? He still holds the record of selling the maximum cars. And like a few more years down the line, he actually bought dealerships. He owns 3 dealerships now, and like
3 से ज़्यादा ही हैं, 4.
And it's so inspiring.
A normal sales guy who could not find a job as an engineer came in 1990s जब डिस्क्रिमिनेशन भी थोड़ी ज़्यादा होती थी, उतना ओपन नहीं था यहाँ पे, एंड सिक्स वर नॉट वेरी कॉमन, एंड ही लुक डिफरेंट एंड पीपल वर नॉट गिविंग हिम जॉब्स, एंड ये सब पब्लिकली अवेलेबल है स्टोरीज. आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स ट्रू, बट इट्स अमेजिंग हिज जर्नी, एंड इफ ही कैन डू इट लाइक सिम सेड, वी कैन डू इट टू. यहाँ पे एक और घर है, आई डोंट नो ऊपर से दिखा होगा नहीं दिखा होगा, ड्रेक. So he's a world famous rapper, and he's also a Canadian, and his story is also very humble. Yes, he was a little more well off when he not came here, but when he was here because his dad was a mid-tier musician. But again, इतना बड़ा घर लेने का तो नहीं था ना उसके बाद. So he is also very very self-made because he has actually turned whatever he had into something very very big. The reason why we are telling you this is, जब हम इतने successful लोगों से बात करते हैं, जब हम उनसे पूछते हैं ना कि what's the reason that you earn so much money, and they could easily say that they were able to take risks, they were able to take give money, they did not have an option, they did not have the education, and वो education ना होने की वजह से उनको risk लेना पड़ा. They could have easily said that. But ये सब लोग बोलते हैं कि because they actually come from very very humble backgrounds and they actually know what it is to be not rich. And that's the reason why they value that money. बहुत सारे लोग इतने अमीर हो जाते हैं और उसके बाद जितना 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 कमा लो और उतने ही अगर खर्च कर रहे हो आप, so you are not rich, right? You're still living paycheck to paycheck.
So Canada में एक बहुत अच्छा है कि like when children are in their high school, they just go and work, in restaurants, wait tables, wash dishes. They do every sort of thing to have their pocket money, and it's a good culture to have in because अब जैसे हम लोग आते हैं ना इंजीनियर अपनी पढ़ाई करके एंड घर पे बोलो कि वी आर वर्किंग इन टिम हॉर्टन्स, घर वाले बोलते इतनी पढ़ाई लिखाई का फ़ायदा ही क्या हो जब यही करना था तो। एंड हम बहुत जल्दी बोल देते हैं कि ये तो हम नहीं ऐसे काम
हमारे लेवल का काम नहीं
हमारे
है,
लेवल
feel
का
that,
काम
it's beneath us, yeah.
So that feeling किसी को नीचा देख के बोलना is a very wrong thing. मतलब ये इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा है, I understand that, but when you're coming here आप एक चीज़ फील करोगे कि this doesn't happen
in fact
in here.
जितना भी CEOs, जितने भी लोगों से हमने बात करी है, my boss, my super boss, they have all been born and brought up here. They are Canadians and they are born and brought up here. And उनसे भी बात कर लो, it's very normal that they have worked in coffee shops, they have worked in, they बर्तन धोए हैं उन्होंने,
they have waited tables. It's very common.
Very normal, and that's the reason
Walmart
why.
पे काम करा है.
And you know what? The reason why people say that Canadians are nice is exactly because of this reason.
Yes.
So we want, the reason why we wanted to make this video is that, everyone that you see around who has made it, especially in Canada, most of the people were immigrants and they came with nothing. It's because they developed that empathy. एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ. So we had this student in the first job accelerator जो program था उसमें one of the people who joined, he has 3-4 years of experience. He actually came here doing his studies and he was obviously wanting to earn a little bit of pocket money and his expenses should be taken care of. So he was working in a warehouse and also did a little bit of Uber and stuff like that, right? So he said that whenever there's someone who delivers food now on Uber Eats or या जहाँ से भी करते हैं, he actually tips them very well, 20-25%. And the reason why he does that is he knows how difficult it is to do what he's doing. And वो जो empathy है ना, it's not about earning more money or less money, it's just understanding that other people, the other person is important. And that you can only realize if you are in their situation, even if it is for 2-3 months. So that's why we wanted to make this video and say that it's okay if you want to do, a survival job. To be honest, it's good money. When you come here, 2-2.5 हज़ार आपने हमारी वीडियो देखी होगी जिसमें हमने $2-2.5 हज़ार हमारा खर्चा होता था, and इतने ही you actually earn if you're doing a minimum wage job, which is not bad, right? बल्कि एक्सरसाइज हो जाएगी यार, मतलब हालत देख लो यहाँ पे. तो I'm not saying it's for everyone, but what I'm saying is it's okay if you have to do it. यार ये घर ले लेते हैं. हाँ? ये देखो जी घर बन रहा है और ये ऐसे लग रहा होगा कि ये कॉन्डो अपार्टमेंट्स हैं, बट ये एक सिंगल घर है. नहीं लग रहे. कितने का होगा ये घर?
कमेंट से बताओ.
तू बता.
30-40 मिलियन का होगा. हाँ जी,
30-40 मिलियन का होगा ना ये?
क्या होता है?
भाई साहब क्या घर है. नहीं ये वो नहीं दिखा सकता ना, वहाँ पे लोग रह रहे हैं. घर तो हमारे राइट और लेफ्ट दोनों साइड पे बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. ये देखो झलक, घर के अंदर पहाड़ है.
Now some of the jobs जो हमें लगता था कि एकदम unskilled है, but they are actually very skilled, which is like for example electricians and plumbing. they require a certification, and that was a big, like, I was blown away. Oh God, ऐसा भी होता है. And it makes sense, to be honest, क्योंकि हर घर का सिस्टम अलग होता है, and there are set of rules that you should follow if you're, you know, putting, like, connecting electricity in a house.
Plus to salary wise, you know, they actually earn a lot more than minimum wage. $40-50 tak, if you are an experienced plumber or an electrician, you can actually earn not just plumbing and, you know,
हाँ, exactly. अब जैसे हमने अपने किचनर के घर में मूव करने से पहले we have called a cleaning lady. Now that they are so professional.
She's charging $25 per hour, which is मिनिमम वेज यहाँ पे $14-15 होता है, सो इट्स एक्चुअली नॉट मिनिमम वेज. प्लस जो अभी हमने फ्रेंड्स यू नो ने अभी सारी क्लीनिंग कराई है घर की, आई थिंक ही आल्सो चार्ज $25 or $30 per hour, and he actually came, you know, with all the supplies in his Honda CR-V, right? So it's not about, you know, he likes doing it. He was so passionate about cleaning and
telling us
इसको ऐसे करो.
I am so blown away with how professional he was.
And his name was Mr. Bright, and we used to call him Mr. Bright, and he was so. Anyways, you know, the reason why we are telling you this is that, you know, no job here is beneath us, and it's okay, you know, if you have to do these jobs, and in fact, you know, you can actually earn money. Maybe you can find a passion making. Maybe you can, you know, make a cleaning company out of this, whatever, right? यहाँ पे ट्रक चलाते हैं लोग, right? हम बोलते हैं अरे ट्रक ड्राइवर कौन होता है? इंडिया में बोलेंगे अरे तू ट्रक चला रहा है वहाँ पे जाके. Truck drivers earn a lot of money. They earn upwards of, you know, Simran is in IT, right? अगले 5 साल में भी जो सिमरन की सैलरी होगी ना, उससे ज़्यादा ट्रक ड्राइवर कमाता होगा 100%. जब हम उनसे बात करते हैं, they actually say that they love driving a truck because उनको इतना कोई टेंशन नहीं है, कोई एक्सेल पे काम नहीं करना, कुछ नहीं करना, and they just love driving and they just, you know, travel to different places and eat different food and meet different people. So हर चीज़ का पर्सपेक्टिव अलग होता है. इंडिया में लोग कहेंगे कि अरे ये ट्रक चला रहा है, बट यहाँ पे, you know, this person has a dream of owning a truck company one day. So, you know, there's opportunity in everything, I would say.
Now the next thing is how to get these survival jobs. A lot of people ask us this question, and the answer is as simple as just take your CV and go to every store that you can see. Dollarama, Walmart, restaurants, everywhere, कहीं पे भी जाओ. अगर if you see that they're saying, you know, we want people, just go and drop in your CV, talk to the manager.
People who don't get survival jobs, they say कि अरे यहाँ पे तो survival jobs है नहीं. Yes, pandemic में survival jobs were less. You know, no denying that. But that doesn't mean that, you know, you can not go. अगर desk के पीछे बैठे आप survival job ढूंढोगे, which is like a field job, it's impossible that you're gonna get it, right? Just go to the Walmart. वहाँ पे लिखा है, you know, we are hiring. Just go there, talk to the assistant store manager, and take the job. That's it. अगले दिन से you can actually work. This is not something that I am saying कि हाँ ऐसे करो तो आपको होगा. मेरे पास experience नहीं है. But a lot of people who we have talked, a lot of students that we have talked who have been, you know, doing these survival jobs at $17, $18, $19 per hour, which is above the minimum wage, have done it this way. So yeah, just, you know, just don't sit behind the desk. Just go into the field with the CV and get the survival job. ये देखो जी, अमीरों का घर, जिसके आगे इतने पेड़ हैं कि अमीरों का घर नजर ही ना आए.
अमीरों का घर.
So guys, the reason why we have made this video is that we just give a different perspective that doing a survival job when you come here is actually a good thing, and you will develop that empathy. जब आप CEO बनोगे या किसी leadership position में जाओगे किसी company में, हर time तो आप survival job नहीं करोगे ना. When you get into a company that you actually want to be in, you will be a much better leader purely because you understand what it is to be not that leader.
I hope this video gave you a little bit of a different perspective and it helped you. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.